Hi friends, today we'll discuss what is meant by rejection and reversal. So, uh, if you get any check from your friend, so then what we'll do? Your account is in HDFC and that check belongs to ICICI. Then you send it for the collection. So when you send it for the collection, the check may be rejected because insufficient fund of that your friend or your person has given the check account is not having sufficient funds means, for example, he has given checks for 5,000. If your account balance is less than 5,000 rupees, your check will be rejected. So during this process your check will be rejected and no transactions will be posted in customer account because there is no balance, and charges will be debited customer account, and check should be rejected or payment should be rejected, ECS should be rejected or NAT should be rejected with proper rejection code. So rejection means your payment will be rejected, no transaction will be posted in customer account, charges will be debited. This is the rejection. Reversal means original transaction should be successful, then only because of technical error, if the wrong account is created, then it will be reversed. During the process, your transaction will be reversed and two transactions will be posted in customer account. One is credit and second one will be debit, and no charges will be debited from customer account, and check will be transaction will be reversed with proper reversal code. So now you know the difference between rejection and reversal. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please share with your friends also.